I think meron na talagang Chinese invasion dito, no? Ang namumuno ngayon sa probinsya, isa lang pong pamilya, no? Tumatakbo po sila ngayon as a governor, mayor, congressman, and mayor in the other cities, component cities. So doon natin nakikita na there is monopoly already sa gobyerno. Ngayon is really looking into it.
Natural born ba dapat?
Hindi siya natural born, nor is he naturalized.
But why did you just file it now?
The evidence ngayon lumabas eh. And tinanggap ng COMELEC because like I said, qualifications to ng isang kandidato. Hindi rin po pwede na may limitations ng 10-day. Like I said, he is not a candidate to begin with. So dapat talaga they should look into it, the COMELEC. So yun ang ginawa namin. We filed the case already and it's already moving under COMELEC. And sumulat na, naglabas na ng certification ang SOG, Solicitor General, na there was no such naturalization that happened sa kanya or sa father niya. So talagang hindi po talaga naturalized siya. And up to now, birth certificate niya just says Chinese.